She's been stuck here for over 2 years and we're trying to get her out, but the trouble is she's not moving very well because she's got no weight on her back end. So because she's not moving, we have to think of something else. We are going to lift the front side as well, because if we're only lifting the back, it'll put more pressure on the front, so we're lifting them both up so there's less weight on the front, so it's easier for it to get out.
Go on, Vera. Go on, lass. Go on, good girl. Go on, go on. Go on, lass. Go on, Vera. Yeah, you're out. Good lass, good lass. He's out.